Roses red, violets blue. I've got a little story just for you. Right, so today is about equipment I'm going to be using for filming these non-screen grabbing YouTube channels. And they're both from K&F Concept, and it's to do with tripods. Let's open this. Well, I'll do that in a minute. So this is the Professional Universe Center Column, and that's to update, you can see by the picture, an existing tripod. Okay, I'll show you the big one, as I say, first, and this is actually a K&F Concept tripod. It doesn't actually say the model number or anything on here. Right. No, well, I've got a KF09, but anyway, I'll put a description up, obviously. Now, I've not actually added out the box yet, and I did actually bring out my trusty opener, but doesn't look like I need it. Now, this isn't, didn't know it came in a bag for a start. This isn't your normal tripod. What cool's that? Let's see what she's got. Let's open her up. You're probably thinking this must be a little mini tripod, but it's actually, I think it's comes with loads of bits. Okay. Not sure why it wasn't in the bag. I'm very impressed with the bag. Can always use that. And the strap. Yeah, I can actually use it to put the tripod in, couldn't I? Yes, that's right. Very light. Little bag. At the end of it, yeah. A little pouch. Now, what makes this tripod more interesting than normal tripods is the head attachments. And what it does, okay, I'm going to have to assemble this. I know I can see now. Tripod use manual. And I guess I'm going to have to do some work to it. Oh, that's very nice. It's all rubber. Oh, okay, so no freezing your hands when you... Oh, that one isn't rubber. Oh, that must be the special one then. Okay. I like that clicking noise. Nice and reassuring. You can see that. Okay. I'm confused now. Is it supposed to come with a... Because all this is kind of supposed to be moved. Alright, well, I'm going to have to look at this one. The idea is it comes with an arm. So you can put your, the camera angle here and it comes on the tripod. Alright, well, I'll have a little play with that and get back to you, as they say. What fucking hell here? Okay. I knew it actually, the manual wasn't much good. Right. Again, I'll go back to the what I was trying to explain. So you've got an arm on this. So you put your camera thing on the top of there. Comes with a little pod, but I'm going to use my video camera one. And this is your... And you've got this arm that comes out like this. So I'm going to have to... So there's your tripod, and your arm comes out. Yeah, so it goes down that way. You can go length, arm, and obviously you can go all the way around. and then you can put your camera on the end of there, and it can go around any angle. And of course, this also, if you want to do there, it can go around on any angle. So the idea is on this really is to get your camera, there you go, you can record upside down, straight down, over the head, you know, turn it any angles, and you've got like little markers here. Cool. And it's a really good thing, and when I get my camera and everything on there, I'll show you the difference. And I think I might show you a little bit more without opening upstairs. That one. And I'm going to do an external shot of that in a minute. Let's go and open up the little one. Tell you what, it does feel pretty premium. Oh, there's your pole. Okay. You can see it looks very similar. So there's a pole that you insert in there. Put these things out for you to see. Okay, I thought it was silver, it's just a bag. Oh, okay, so I want a black one. I've got an installation pole. There's some odds and sods, but you'll see again. So this goes on top of your tripod, and then this is obviously your pole. Let's tighten it. How about tongue is that? Oh, these are tighter now. I suppose when it's on your pole, so this goes on there, and you can then put your camera bit on the end of here. Let's go and look at the picture. Alright. Okay. Right, so I think the idea is that you can buy Okay, thanks so much. Questions as usual, ask them. Bye.